90 miles an hour on a $1.4 million 2026 Cigarette 42X. Comment race boat down below if this is your dream or if you're ready to buy.